When you search for the best bandsaw under $1,000, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut. First up is the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. Priced at $364.99, this model caught my attention with its impressive 4.8-star rating from 59 reviews, and it's a bestseller for good reason. If you want a bandsaw that delivers power and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's the thing. The POWERSDT brushless motor operates at 550 SFPM, which means faster cuts with less fatigue. Imagine getting through tough materials without feeling worn out. Plus, it boasts up to 78 cuts per charge in 1 5/8 uni-strut, which is perfect for heavy-duty applications. The automatic blade brake reduces the risk of damage to sensitive materials, so you can work confidently. With over 400 units sold in the past month, it's clear that buyers trust this saw. Now, some people complain about the weight being a bit heavy for extended use, but here's the thing. If you're looking for a robust tool that gets the job done efficiently, this weight can actually translate to better stability during cuts. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer who needs a reliable, powerful bandsaw. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for casual home projects. For the price, it offers great value considering its durability and performance. Now, if the weight of the Milwaukee bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vever Portable Bandsaw. Next up is the Vever Portable Bandsaw, priced at an affordable $179.90. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 584 reviews, it's a popular choice for those needing portability. If you want versatility and power in a handheld design, this is worth considering. This saw features a cutting capacity of 5 inches for round stock and 4.7 inch for rectangular stock, which means you can tackle a variety of materials. The 10-amp motor offers quick cuts with speeds ranging from 137.8 to 472.4 feet per minute, making your projects faster and more efficient. Plus, it has an ergonomic design with a soft grip handle for comfort during extended use. For around 200 buyers this month, it's clearly catching on fast. Some users mention the lack of a sturdy base, making it a bit less stable, especially when cutting larger pieces. But honestly, if you're primarily looking for something portable and versatile, this can be a minor trade-off for the convenience it provides. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or hobbyist who needs a portable solution for varied cutting tasks. Skip this one if you need a machine for heavy-duty stationary work. For the price, it's a solid value for what it offers in terms of portability and power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stationary use. Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw. Coming in at $334, the DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw is another top contender with a stellar 4.8-star rating from 1,700 reviews. If you want portability combined with powerful performance, this one's definitely worth a look. The 5-inch cutting capacity allows you to make deep cuts, while the integrated hang hook lets you hang the saw without damaging the handle, a thoughtful design feature. The LED work light is a game changer, illuminating dark spaces for precise cutting. With its variable speed control, you can adjust the speed to match different materials, making this saw incredibly versatile. DeWalt is a brand trusted by many, and it shows in the sales numbers. Now, some users noted the price as a bit high for a bare tool, which can be frustrating if you're on a budget. But here's the thing. Many agree that the performance and reliability justify the investment, especially if you plan to use it often. This is perfect for you if you frequently work in low-light conditions or need a dependable tool for various projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option without any extras. You're getting solid value for a tool that's built to last. Now, if you need something with even more power, let's check out another DeWalt model. Product number 4, DeWalt Deep Cut Bandsaw. Next on the list is the DeWalt Portable Bandsaw Deep Cut, priced at $414.99. With a consistent 4.8-star rating based on 748 reviews, This one is perfect for those who need serious cutting power. If you're looking for durability and capability, this saw deserves your attention. With a powerful 10-amp motor and a 5-inch deep cut capacity, it's designed for heavy-duty tasks. The integrated LED sight light helps you see your cut line clearly, even in dim conditions, a huge plus on job sites. It also features a variable speed dial, enabling you to adjust the speed for specific materials, and the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during long cutting sessions. Given its robust build, it's no surprise that it's a favorite among contractors. However, some users found it a bit bulky for intricate cuts, which can be limiting for detailed work. But honestly, if you need a powerhouse for larger jobs, this trade-off might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a professional needing a reliable, powerful bandsaw. Skip this one if you primarily do detailed, delicate work. The durability promises great value for your investment. Lastly, let's take a look at a more budget-friendly option that's great for woodworking. Product number 5, SKL 2.8 amp benchtop bandsaw. Finally, we have the SKL 2.8 amp 9 inches. Benchtop bandsaw priced at $219. With a decent 4.4-star rating from 295 reviews, this is a solid choice for woodworking enthusiasts. If you want a reliable saw for wood projects without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The 2.8 amp induction motor is powerful enough to rip through various wood materials, and its 2-speed drive system allows for tool-free belt tensioning. This is particularly handy for quick adjustments. Plus, the precision ball bearing guides ensure accurate cutting performance, making it easier to achieve clean cuts. For anyone working on wood projects, these features are essential, and the reviews reflect user satisfaction. However, some users pointed out that it might struggle with denser woods, which could be a drawback for more ambitious projects. But honestly, if you're mainly working with softer woods, this won't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist focused on woodworking. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle metal or tougher materials. For the price, it's a great value for a solid woodworking bandsaw. So, there you have it. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel for power, the Vever for portability, the DeWalt 20V Max for versatility, the DeWalt Deep Cut for heavy-duty tasks, and the SKL Benchtop for woodworking. Each one brings unique strengths to the table, so consider what fits your needs best. Happy cutting!